Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this my channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Please and please subscribe to my channel. If you are not also following me on Telegram, make sure you do that. You should follow me on Telegram. Reason is that I'll be sharing a lot of useful information on this our forex markets. All those there are a lot of information that I'll be sharing on my Telegram channel, which I don't want you to miss. So make sure you follow me on Telegram so you get an update from me, and I'll be able to communicate with you guys, very well. I'll be able to communicate with you guys better. So let's take a look at AUD USD for this week. Now let me start with this AUD USD. We can see that AUD to USD is bearish. No doubt about that. Also, we will be expecting major news this week on our AUD, and we will also be expecting major news this week on our USD. Now on this AUD, I think the news will be coming out on Wednesday, on Tuesday. We will be expecting interest rates to still remain the same. Then I think then on Wednesday we will be expecting major news on USD, right? I will be expecting USD to actually go. I think the interest rates will be increased a bit. But with what I'm seeing in the long run, this AUD, let's say in 2, 3, 4 weeks time, or let's say by the time this month end, by the way, we are entering into the month of May right now, right? So by the time the month ending of May, I expect AUD to USD actually to take out these lows. So in this month, I'm expecting AUD to actually drop more, right? Basically, drop like crazy to take out these lows. But for this week, we'll be expecting major news. Also, do not forget that we'll be expecting major news on this USD, and that is on Friday, if I'm not wrong. We'll be expecting NFP. So basically, there's going to be crazy movement on our USD. But with what I am seeing, with the news that I'm expecting, and technically, I'll be expecting this AUD to USD to drop to a level of 0.64823. I'll repeat again, I am watching out for a level of 0.64823. So probably on that Tuesday, we should be able to get that massive movement. Within Monday and Tuesday, AUD to USD should actually give me that bearish move to come tap a level of 0.64823. So with that level from year to year, that would be about 130 pips. I mean, if you can sell and grab 130 pips for this week on AUD USD, it is definitely not bad, right? So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see that we are kind of like a major level right now. Yeah, we can see it, right? Price actually came to tap out at this liquidity, right? Price has gone up. I'll be expecting one more movement downward, and guess what? The movement I'll be expecting is actually to take out these lows. That is why I said I am aiming for a level of 0.648 this week on AUD USD. So basically, AUD USD should be bearish this week. Now, by the way, if you are not following me on Telegram, I repeat, make sure you follow me, because a whole lot of useful information is what I'll be sharing on that my Telegram channel. So I'll be watching out for it. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the comment section, by the way.